You guys, silver unboxing today. So, this is the famous Wall Street Mint bar. I bought it from eBay. I'm going to unbox it. I just open to see what is inside a little bit. So let's open. And let's see what is inside. Okay, look like we need more knife here. How are you doing today, guys? Are you keep buying silver like I'm buying? So here we go. It's nice packaging from eBay, directly from Scottsdale Mint. Okay, you can see it. Okay. But here is a secret, guys. On Scottsdale Mint, this bar costs like 330 bucks. Okay, on an eBay, for some reason, they are selling it much cheaper. Okay, today maybe 310, but I was buying it below. You see, silverGameOfThrone, the smart ape, was buying this 295 bucks. Okay. So for me, $300, it's kind of line, below this line, I keep buying, okay? Above this line, I am waiting, okay? For me, physical silver, I told many times, physical silver below 30 bucks, I'm buying. So, $295, it's a good buy from eBay, because it's 10 ounce Wall Street, silver buy 10 troy ounce, So why it's a good buy? Because you actually, have all these discounts when you buy from eBay. You have eBay buyback, discount. You have credit card 2-3% discount, on any purchase you do. So, it's a good buy from me on eBay, on a credit card. Not like you are buying on your direct debit. Very interesting how they pack it. It's very hard to open. I don't see, where. I don't see where they did. Okay. It look like here. Okay. Yeah, hard to open it. Okay, so, anything below 30 bucks, it's a good buy for me. I was looking at this bar. It's very special bar. Okay, let's try to open this bad boy, and then just to see what inside. So first of all, it's a good packaging. Wow, Wall Street Mint. Let's move close. Beautiful bar, and it has this word vivamos. You see, vivamos moriendus est. Let us live, since we must die. This is very famous. I think it's from Roman Empire. From Roman Empire. Then we have this Wall Street Mint. Then we have all this, hallmark. Wall Street hallmark, the Scottsdale, the 10 ounce, 9995 silver mark, and this is a hallmark. Wall Street, and this is a hallmark of Scottsdale Mint, Wall Street Mint, and this is all buildings. And they say this bar has been in production since 2002. I was having hard time, guys, to get it, and it is aftermath of the September 11th terrorist attack. It's only idiots now don't know what it was in 2011 terrorist attack. They keep telling this bullshit again and again and again. It was no terrorist attack, okay? It was clearly, so many videos. Watch it, okay? It was attack on United States by some set party, We all know what is this set party, It's all this banking cabal because they wanted to, to start all this, new era, of slaves, how they can make it. Now they say terrorists. They invited, Syria, Iran, Syria, Iraq, all this, Lebanon, all these countries, killed millions and billions of people, and we know this, right? So keep telling this bullshit about terrorist attack 11. But this is what it was event, It was event, it was very sad event, so many people died. I think, they will pay the price, okay? There is no doubt about this. Yeah, this is a bar. This is a bar, very interesting bar. It's kind of small, but I wanted to have it, and there is nothing really buy below $300 last day, especially these bars. See my collection of these bars, you can find them. Yeah, and again, you can buy them $330 on Wall Street, on Scottsdale. You can buy it on eBay. On eBay, they still $305, so $10 above what I'm buying. Like I say, $300 for me is kind of, line. Like a line below this line, and I keep buying above this line. I don't know. I start moving to fraction gold, because I have enough silver, which I bought, around $20-25 physical, okay? I'm talking physical, okay? So which cost 20-30% more today. So I'm happy with my silver, but I'm keep buying when I see, especially such beautiful bars, such chunk of wealth preservation, right? So this was me, silverGameOfThrone, sharing with you, where silver gems you can get. And there are still some deals on eBay here and here, like this bar. If you can find below $300 for 10-ounce bar, go and grab it, guys, okay? I'm telling you, it's gonna blow, okay? It's gonna blow. It doesn't matter when. I'm not catching days, and silver dollar average, I'm buying, when I see good deals, I'm buying, accumulating my wealth, and this is the way, okay? This is the way, guys, okay? There is no other way. This is a way to accumulate your wealth. We are not buying. We are saving our hard-earning currency into real money. It's like this, okay? That's a real money. It was, it is, and it will be. Okay? Like, subscribe, hit your notification, and let silverGameOfThrone know. What do you think? What are you dealing last days? I personally started to accumulate more fraction gold and 10-ounce bars, like. I stopped buying premium coins because even, on a gem bullion on UpMax, they are $45, $50, That's what I'm selling on eBay, So what's the point to buy? It's only collection which I keep for myself, but resell, no, okay? So now I am starting to buying this more and more below $30 for an ounce, 3 ounces of silver. Okay, guys, silverGameOfThrone was with you. Like, comment. Give your comments, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.